Hi guys, in this video, let's discuss about definite integral. First, let's define what is definite integral. It's defined to be exactly the limit and summation that we look at in the last section to find the net area between a function and the x-axis. Also note that the notation for the definite integral is very similar to the notation for an indefinite integral. There are four properties of definite integral. Number 1, the definite integral of the lower limit of a and the upper limit of a of f of x dx is equal to 0. Number 2, the definite integral of the lower limit of a and the upper limit of b of c times f of x dx is equal to c. The definite integral of the lower limit a and the upper limit of b f of x dx for any real constant c. Then number 3, the definite integral of the lower limit a and the upper limit of b of f of x positive and negative of g of x dx is equal to the definite integral of the lower limit a and upper limit of b f of x dx plus and minus the definite integral of the lower limit a and the upper limit of b g of x dx. Then lastly, the definite integral of the lower limit a and the upper limit a of f of x dx is equal to the definite integral of the lower limit a and the upper limit of c of f of x dx plus the definite integral of the lower limit of c and the upper limit of b of f of x dx for any real number c. Then let's proceed to the fundamental theorem of calculus. Let f be the continuous on the interval a and b, and let f be any antiderivative of f. Then the formula is definite integral of the lower limit a and the upper limit of b of f of x dx is equal to f times a minus f times b is equal to f of x, the interval of a and b. Examples. Number 1, evaluate the definite integral of the lower limit 0 and the upper limit of 2 of the quantity of x squared minus 4x dx. So in the solution, first write the formula, which is the definite integral of the lower limit a and the upper limit of b of f of x dx is equal to f times a minus f times b is equal to f of x, the interval of a and b. So we have the quantity of x cubed minus 3 minus 4x over the interval of 0 and 2. Why it is x cubed over 3x minus 4? Because the equation is x squared minus 4x. We must add the exponent by 1. So we have the result of x cubed minus 3 minus 4x. Then substitute the interval by following the formula. So we have the quantity of 8 over 3 minus 8 minus the quantity of 0 minus 0. So the result is negative 16 over 3. So the area must not be in negative form. Therefore, we use the absolute value. So we have the absolute value of negative 16 over 3. So the result is 16 over 3 units squared. Then evaluate the definite integral of the lower limit of 2 and the upper limit of 3 of 8 x cubed plus 3x squared plus 6x dx. So we have the solution. First, let's write the formula. Then add the exponent by 1. So we have 8, the quantity of x raised to the power of 4 over 4, plus 3, the quantity of x cubed over 3, plus 6, the quantity of x squared over 2 over the interval of 2 and 3. Then cancel the denominator by the constant. We have 2x raised to the power of 4 plus x cubed plus 3x squared over the interval of 2 and 3. Then substitute the interval by following the formula. We have the result of 162 plus 27 minus 32 plus 8 plus 12. Then add the same sign. We have 162 plus 54 minus 40 plus 12. Then we have 162 plus 54 minus 40 plus 12 is equal to 52. Then simplify. We have the result 164 units squared.